Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can water crops and speed up the crops growth in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, I'm going to show you how you can water your crops in your garden in Heartopia. First, you're going to open up this tool and you're going to equip the watering can. And then you can select the crop that you want to water and select this watering can. Tap on the watering can like this. And if you want to water multiple crops, you're going to tap and hold on the watering can. But this feature will be available after you reach level 3 in your gardening hobby. So make sure that you have reached level 3 to water multiple crops. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how you can speed up the plant's growth or the crop's growth. I would like to recommend you to purchase the growth booster from the Blank's gardening store. Okay, this one. I have 3 types of the growth booster. And okay, I'm going to choose this one. Reduce crop growth time by 15 minutes immediately. And for this one, by 1 hour. Oh my god. And this one, 3 hours. Okay, I'm going to apply this growth booster. I'm going to hold it. And as you can see guys, that this crop still needs 3 hours and 45 minutes to be harvested. And I'm going to apply the growth booster. Oh, as you can see, it can reduce the crop growth. And yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can water crops and speed up the crops growth in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.